Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step with the help of Tailor Brands, making it simple and stress-free. First things first, an LCC or limited liability company is a business structure that protects your personal assets, like your home and car, from business debts or lawsuits. Choose a unique name for your LLC. Tailor Brand offers a business name generator that can help you find a perfect name that's both creative and available. Once you've got a name, make sure it's available in your state and doesn't conflict with existing businesses. Tailor Brand also allows you to check domain availability to secure your online presence. Next, you'll need to file Article of Organization with your state Secretary of State. This is the official document that establishes your LLC. You can usually do this online. While it's not required in all states, an operating agreement is essential. This document outlines the management structure and operating procedures for your LLC. Next, apply for an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS. This number is like Social Security number for your business and is required for tax purposes. Depending on your location and business type, you may need to register for your state and local taxes. Tailor Brands can help you understand which taxes apply to your specific business. Once your LLC is officially set up, it's time to open a business bank account. This keeps your personal and business finance separate. Lastly, remember to stay compliant by filing any required annual reports and paying necessary fees. Tailor Brand offers tools to help you manage and stay on top of your LLC's obligation. And there you have it. With Tailor Brands and a few simple steps, you'll have your LLC up and running in no time. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.